What's up, guys? Welcome to Instant Film Friday. I know that I haven't posted one of these in a while. I have had a lot of other things going on in life that have taken more of my time, so this has kind of been put on the back burner for a little bit, but I'm back. I just recently came back from a trip out west visiting family, and I did bring a couple of my instant cameras. I brought the Polaroid Mio and the Polaroid Now, and I just want to update you real quick on some of my favorite pics of the trip. This one is of me and my niece Ivy. She has a bed head, so that is why she is looking a little groggy. She had just woken up. This is Ivy at my brother's wedding, which is the reason why I went out to Las Vegas and Lake Tahoe to visit with them. This is the venue we were at. It was right on a lake in Lake Tahoe, so that was pretty fun. I found this alien statue in one of the shops on our way to the venue, so I took a picture of that. We went hiking one of the days I was out. This is some stone steps I found at Red Rock Canyon in Las Vegas. This is another picture from our hike. It's a cairn I made, so that was pretty fun. And then I just took a few pictures with the Polaroid. I found this huge rocket that was in the middle of the desert, so that was pretty fun. And then I went and hiked and I found this tortoise on the side of the road, so that was pretty awesome as well. Cute little guy. I did not pick him up. I wanted to, but I guess it's illegal to do that out there. And then the last picture I took with the Polaroid Now was this picture of this redwood at the venue where my brother got married at. And yeah, I took a ton of other pictures, but as you guys know, Polaroids and instant photography make good gifts. So I ended up giving a ton of them away to partygoers and my brother and his new family. So that was the reason why I only have these to show. But another quick update, changing subjects here, is a few weeks ago, I don't know if you remember, I bought an SX70 Model 2 and I tested it and it didn't work, which was super unfortunate. So I'd been letting it sit for a while and I actually have been working on it. I took the leather off, so this is what it looks like now. It's just a naked SX70 Model 2. I'm kind of thinking that the reason why it wasn't working was because the film was old or my test cartridge was not working well. So I ordered a brand new pack of SX70 film. I'm going to pop it in here and see if it works. It's going to be super unfortunate if it doesn't work, but I do need to test this out because if it does not work, then I'll part this out, use it for parts, and kind of just eat my losses. But if it does work, then I will put new leather on the body right here and all on the back, and then I will be putting it online for sale. I ended up getting the same leather as Baby, so it'll look quite the same as this Model 2. I'm excited. I have loved this camera, and I would like to share that with you guys if this ends up working. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, just a quick update today. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry I've been gone. I'm back. Please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section down below with what you think of the pictures I took. I will put the card of the episode with me getting this camera in the card somewhere in this area. So check that out if you haven't yet. And I'll talk to you guys next week. Till then, live life instantly.